start chasing purpose. When you start chasing purpose, that is when opportunities start to fall into your lap. That is when the abundance happens, because you're like a vortex calling things into your life.
Fired up!
Ready to go!
Ready to go!
Fired up!
Do you know we have 21 more days left until this year's over?
Yeah.
21 more days. Take these 21 days to find a coach. Take these 21 days to find one day out of these 21 days to learn a new skill about your business.
So it's really important that you get comfortable with you, that you sit in, okay, what is my unique thing? And don't walk away from painful things, because that might just be the breakthrough.
Anybody who's thinking like you don't need a mentor, I would say even if you tried it out for one time, you would really see that sometimes that person, that accountability person that helps you move forward is what you actually needed.
Let's embrace a transformative mindset together.